Excuse me.
Yes. How can I help you?
Do you have any of these bouquets but without the yellow? My mother hates sunshine.
Can
Thanks.
Lucy's poor and dirty. Lucy's poor and dirty. Lucy's poor and dirty. Lucy's poor and dirty. Lucy's poor and
I'd like to report a crime. 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 I'd like to report a crime.
Durham County Police, this is Officer Peppery speaking. How may I help you?
I'd like to report a crime.
Ma'am, you don't have to yell.
Sorry.
It's okay. What's your name?
Flowers.
Your name is Flowers?
No, well, kind of. My name is Iris.
Okay, Iris, and what's the nature of this crime?
Flowers. Threatening flowers.
Ma'am, you know it's a crime to prank call the police?
It's not a...
I mean, we're very busy here.
Hi, welcome to Gerald's General Store. Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am, I didn't mean to startle you. Now, that's an excellent choice of a hoe, but have you seen all the other hoes that we have to offer? Well, the Green Dean is an excellent choice. If you're willing to put in a little extra, I recommend the Red West over here.
Thanks.
Are you sure you don't need any help, ma'am? I mean, you seem to be shopping in an awful lot of aisles. I mean, surely I can help you in some way.
I'm fine.
Iris!
Auntie Carol.
It's been so long. What are you doing here?
Well, I actually
No,
really
never mind that. You look so wonderful. Although I see you haven't lost any of your winter weight now. How have you been, darling? How's your mother? I haven't seen her for quite some time now. Well, she must be doing her silly art things. And come to think of it, how's your flower thing going?
It's good.
Have you met a man yet? No. Guess you really aren't that type. Yeah. Why don't you join me for tea? Come on now.
No. I have to go.
Lucy's poor and dirty. Lucy's poor and dirty. Lucy's poor and
was that for?
Well,
What are you, crazy? You could have killed me.
I-
Are those the flowers I ordered?
Benjamin, oh, what happened to you?
She happened to me.
Iris?
I can explain.
Benji, this makes you sound like a serial killer.
Really messed this up.
You didn't mess anything up.
Yes, she did. She ruined my proposal.
Your what?
Yes, 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 yes.
Oh, yes! Yes!
Oh, wait. Iris. Thank you. It was so good to see you.
All right, great. You can pick this up tomorrow. Have a great day.
So, I hear you do wedding arrangements?